Okay, well, I can tell you this, I'm pretty impressed with the setup I got here. This is a Shimano Travala 20 to 50, and buddy, I put this thing to the test, and that's 50-pound Tico braid. Put the hammer to that stuff too. And good Lord, this is a big old boy. Big old boy. Got him almost. There we go, there we go. Sorry for the cut, buddy. But we got him loose. Ta-da! Well, that was a fiasco, but we got it done. Got our jig back. He's safe. He was too heavy. I couldn't lift him enough to pop the hook out with those pliers. I damn sure wasn't bringing him in my lap. That would have been possible. So, yeah, that was the best I could do for him. He got loose. He's okay. Whew, over and out, guys.